J-Hope just further teased his new track with Miguel as we find out he's heading to Jimmy Fallon. And BTS announces so much. Let's break it down. We're having sweet dreams, alright. Our Hope's second teaser of his soulful team-up with Miguel has us in the feels. The full track is out Friday. Billboard can exclusively announce the BTS star is headed to take the stage at The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon on Monday, March 10th. Marking his solo debut on the program, we're seated. The artist is in the midst of his 31-date Hope on the Stage tour. And also his entire group just announced BTS 7 Moments is available for pre-order on March 19th. We can't wait to see all the things we get from the group as we await their return this year.